Let's try solving some exponential equations on our TI calculator. One thing that I always like to do first when I'm solving equations with a calculator is go to the window screen, and I always like to start with an x minimum of 10, negative 10, and an x maximum of 10. If my answer is somewhere in between negative 10 and 10, this will work fine. If I try to solve the equation and I get something that says error, no sign change, then that means that I might need to come back and change these values, maybe make the x minimum lower and the x maximum bigger, and then try again. So what I need to do is go to the y equals screen. I'm going to clear out the equations that I have there. And enter the left side of my equation for y1. So in my first equation on the page here, I would enter 3 times 4 raised to the x for y1. Then I press enter, and for y2, I enter the right side of the equation, which is 71. Next, I follow the steps. I press the second button and trace to go to the calculate menu, and I press 5 for intersect. Now I need to wait for the calculator to finish thinking. You can see that line up there on the right indicating that the calculator is still thinking. It doesn't actually matter if the graphs show up on the screen or not. When I get to this point where it says first curve, I press enter 3 times. Enter, enter, enter. It thinks for just a moment, and then the x value is the answer. Here we get the x value would be approximately 2.282, and that would be the solution to this equation. If you would like to try solving the next equation on your own, pause the video now and resume when you're ready to see the solution. Here we have 5 raised to the 3w minus 1 equals 17. We go to our y equals screen. We'll clear out the old equations. On the left side, we'll enter, or on y1, we'll enter the left side of our equation. 5 raised to the, and then it's a good habit to put the whole exponent in parentheses. And instead of 3w plus 1, or minus 1, we put 3x minus 1, like that. Then we press enter. We enter the right side of the equation for y2, 17. And then we press those same 6 buttons. Second, trace, 5. We wait a moment for the calculator to finish thinking. We press enter 3 times. And our approximate solution is 0.92012481.